हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले क्लास 8 का ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 6 लैंड यूज के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, एग्जामिन द स्टेटमेंट्स एंड करेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट वंस। Mining is not a type of land use. Answer, wrong. Correct statement is mining is 5 type of land use. B, there are factories in the central business district. Answer, wrong. Correct statement is there are many shops, banks and offices in the central business district. C, in urban areas the largest area is used for residential purpose. Answer, correct. D, the village attendant issues the 712 extract. Answer, wrong. Correct statement, the village talati issue the 712 extract. E, in rural areas, residential areas occupy large tract. Answer, wrong. Correct statement in rural areas, residential areas occupy small tracts. F, extract 7 indicates record of rights. Answer, correct. G, extract 12 indicates change in ownership. Answer, wrong. Correct statement is extract 12 indicates tract under cultivation. Question 2, give geographical reason. A, land used for public facility are extremely important in urban areas. Answer, 1. The government provides a variety of services to residents in order to meet their requirements. The property utilized to meet these demands is referred as to the public utility facility area. Second, public facility land use includes sites used for post office, police stations, public parks, public schools, public hospitals, and so on. Third, using land for public use improves social welfare. As a result, in a metropolitan settings, land utilization for public facility is crucial. B, the record of the ownership of non-agricultural land is the same as that of the agricultural land. Answer, 1. The correct agricultural land is maintained in the form of 712 extract. Similarly, the record of ownership of non-agricultural land is maintained in the form of property card. Second, like 712 extract, property card provides detail of ownership of land, city survey number, plot number, amount of tax, area of property assessed, right to access, etc. Thus, the record of ownership of non-agricultural land is same as that of agricultural. C, a region can be classified as developed or developing on the basis of land use. Answer, first, the land used in a particular region for agriculture, grazing, etc. indicates that the region is underdeveloped or developing. Second, the land used in a particular region for a commercial purpose, transportation, recreation, etc. indicates that the region is developed. In this way, a region can be classified as developed or developing on the basis of land use. Question 3, right answers. A, why is agriculture important in a rural land use? Answer, agriculture is the primary employment of the majority of the rural Indians. Second, farming is a very important occupation in India since it produces food grain and raw materials to industries. Third, the majority of the land in rural areas is used for agriculture purpose. As a result, agriculture plays a significant role in a rural land use. B, state the factors affecting the land use. Answer, first, the factors affecting the rural land use, the factors like climate conditions, fertility of soil, altitude, slope of land, irrigational facilities, natural resources, government policies, etc. affect the rural land use. For example, the land with a gentle slope is not used for residential purpose but is used for steppe farming. Second, the factor affecting urban land use. The factors like location of land, natural resources, housing development, policies of government, transportation routes, industrialization, trade and commerce, entertainment facilities, government policies, etc. affect the urban land use. Example, the land site near the railway station, market, etc. is mostly used for commercial purposes. C, clarify the differences between the rural and urban land use. Answer, the differences between the rural and urban land use are as follows. First, land in rural areas is used for a limited purposes In urban areas, land is used for many purposes. Second, the pattern of rural land use is a comparatively simple and the pattern of urban land use is comparatively complex. Third, use of land for cultivation is the major form of rural land use. Use of land for commercial activities and residence are the major forms of urban land use. D. Differentiate between 712 extract and property card. The difference is as follows. First, 712 extracts is issued by Public Revenue Department of the government and property card is issued by the City Survey Office of Government. Second, 712 is the land correct of ownership and history of ownership of the land in rural areas and property card is the land record of ownership and history of ownership of the land in urban areas. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, share and for more such videos, please subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning. Thank you.